ignition. Let's take a look here. Standing by for liftoff. And there we go. We see fog next to the pad. We see the smoke. And there's liftoff. Very good. And get ready for the rumble to sweep over you just a couple seconds from now. Next, we will look for the landing bird. We may be able to follow that contrail or that vapor trail as it descends. The vapor. There's the vapor trail. We are seeing puffs of cold gas thrusters helping the booster stations maneuver down to the landing zone. So see if we can just follow that thin contrail. Remember, after landing bird finishes, you're going to hear a loud sonic boom, which is a beautiful sound. See it's just over the building, the big building on the right, the vehicle assembly. And there's the vehicle. Just like a picture perfect landing here. Stand by for the big sonic noise. It's going to sound like thunder. Ready to hear sonic noise? Watch the landing on the TV. Yeah. It's a good landing on the Jumbotron. Here comes the sonic boom. Yes.